I'm going to be making some dandelion coffee in this video. The dandelion coffee is made from the dandelion leaves root. Remove the roots, dry it out, and it's processed into the coffee beans. I have the processed one, so I'm going to place a tablespoon into some water, and I'm going to bring to a boil and simmer for about a minute. Coffee, you can also just boil some water in a kettle, place your coffee granules into your coffee pot and pour the hot water over it. But I'm boiling this to have a very strong flavor. Strain the dandelion coffee to remove the granules, and you can cool this and refrigerate for later use, or you can serve as it is. You can flavor this with milk, honey, or sugar. Enjoy.